You're sitting quietly, enjoying a peaceful moment, and then, out of nowhere, bam! The door slams with a force that shakes the whole house. Maybe it's the wind. Maybe it's pressure from another open window. Or maybe it's just that one stubborn door that refuses to close gently. But what if I told you there is a quick, simple, almost magical fix that stops your door from slamming instantly, without tools, without money, and without any complicated steps? Today, I'll show you a genius trick to reduce noise, protect your walls, and bring calm back into your home. But before we dive in, make sure to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon, because these small home hacks can make life smoother, quieter, and stress-free. First things first, understanding why doors slam. Door slamming isn't random, it's physics. Air pressure changes inside your home create invisible pushes and pulls, especially when two windows are open at the same time. Your door becomes a sail, and the wind takes control. Sometimes the problem lies in the hinges. Over time, screws loosen, allowing the door to tilt just slightly. Even that tiny shift can build enough momentum to make the door hit the frame with full force. When you understand the cause, the solution makes more sense. And fixing it becomes so much easier and satisfying. Fix number 1. The rubber band trick. Here's the fastest, easiest, no-cost hack that works immediately. The rubber band method. Take a thick rubber band and loop it around the door handle on one side. Stretch it across the edge of the door, then loop it onto the handle on the other side. Now the rubber band lies across the latch, creating a soft cushion. When the door closes, the rubber band absorbs the impact and slows everything down. Even if the wind tries its best, the door closes quietly instead of screaming through the room. It's simple, it's brilliant, and it works like a charm. And the best part? You can do it in 10 seconds. Fix number 2. Using felt pads for a soft, silent close. If you want a cleaner and more polished solution, felt pads are perfect. These soft, sticky pads are usually used for furniture legs, but they work beautifully on door frames. Stick 2 felt pads at the top corners of your door frame, and if the slam is strong, add 1 or 2 along the sides. The pads act like tiny shock absorbers. Even when the door shuts with force, it lands gently against the felt instead of the hard wood. The sound reduces instantly, and the door closes in slow motion. It's a quiet, subtle upgrade that makes your space feel calmer and more controlled. Fix number 3. Tightening the hinges for better alignment. If your door is swinging too freely or closing too aggressively, the hinges might be loose. Over time, gravity, movement, and everyday use can loosen screws without you realizing it. Open the door halfway. If it starts moving on its own, forward or backward, that means the hinges have shifted. Take a screwdriver and tighten the screws on all hinges, especially the top one. Suddenly, the door becomes stable. It stops swinging uncontrollably and starts responding to your movement instead of the air. This tiny adjustment often eliminates slamming completely, and it takes less than a minute to do. Fix number 4. Door closers for complete control. For high-traffic areas or doors that slam constantly, a hydraulic door closer is the ultimate fix. This small device attaches to the top of your door and controls the speed at which it closes. No matter who opens it, a child, a guest, the wind, the closer pulls the door softly and steadily until it shuts. No sudden bang, no unexpected noise. It gives your home a hotel-like smoothness and adds a level of control that feels almost luxurious. And best of all, installation takes just a few minutes. The emotional calm of a quiet home. The sound of a slamming door is more than just noise. It disrupts concentration. It startles pets. It wakes sleeping babies. It interrupts peaceful moments and brings unnecessary stress into your home. If these simple fixes help to bring peace and quiet back to your home, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because I share easy, clever home hacks each week that make life smoother, calmer, and more manageable. Click here to join our free community. The Big Sweep community offers articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more. Stay smart, stay steady, and keep building a home that feels peaceful from room to room.